may Blair Candle mo, ano po ang wish mo para sa sarili mo, Ate Jazz?
Gusto ko lang maging masaya tayo lahat ngayong araw at ngayong taon. And mahaba po yung mga buhay natin. Thank you so much, everybody. Nagpapasalamat po ako. And without you guys, with you guys gives me purpose. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Ate Jazz. At the count to 3, ready to blow your candle, ready? 1, 2, 3, blow! Okay, one more, blow! Blow! One more! Okay, blow! Ayan. Blow! Meow! Okay. Siyempre, maraming salamat. Happy 21st birthday, Ate Jazz. Greetings coming from Two Clowns Party Shop. Ayan, ha?